Welcome to the instructions video for the Boost Converter Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you design DC to DC step-up power converters by calculating output voltage, duty cycle, inductor values, and component specifications for your boost converter circuits. To use this calculator, start by entering your input voltage in volts. This is your source voltage, such as from a battery. Next, enter your desired output voltage, which must be higher than the input for a boost converter. Input the switching frequency in kilohertz. Typical values range from 50 to 500 kilohertz. Enter your output current requirement in amps and specify your acceptable inductor current ripple percentage. The calculator will then determine your required duty cycle, minimum inductance value, peak inductor current, and help you select appropriate components, including the MOSFET voltage and current ratings, diode specifications, and output capacitor requirements. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.